Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equal to sine t. So we do first derivative for the both sides. So we have the s equal to cosine t dt. Next, we need to change the bounds in here. When s equals to negative number 1, so we put negative number 1 go in here. And we find about t equals to negative b over 2. When s equals to number 1, so we put number 1 go in here. And we can find the value of t in here. And that's about t equals to b over 2. So this one we put in here. This one we put in here. S we change for sine t. The s we change for cosine t. One minus sine t square we change for cosine t square. The square root cosine t square to the power of 3, we will have about cosine t to the power of 3. Cosine t multiplied by cosine t to the power of 3, we have cosine t to the power of 4 dt. Next, I will put about 2 to the power of 4 over 2 to the power of 4 because I want to create about 2 sine t cosine t inside the power 4 in here. So 2 to the power of 4 with this one, we can write like this. So 2 sine t cosine t, we change for sine 2t. Next, we have the formula in here. Sine a square equals to 1 minus cosine 2a over 2. So, if we look carefully about this one, that's about sine 2s square or sine 2t square to the power of 2. So this one we just likely this one. So we change this one into this one in here. And a, that's about 2t. This is about cosine 4t. The square of this one, we will have about 1 minus 2 cosine 4t plus cosine 4t square over 4. So I will put number 4 go outside. Next, we have another formula in here. That is about cosine a square equal to cosine 2a plus 1 over 2. And we apply the formula for this one in here. And we have cosine at plus 1 over 2. So we have 1 over 2 plus 1, and we have 3 over 2. And this one is about 1 over 2 cosine at. And now we can get the final answer. The integration of 3 over 2, we have 3 over 2t. The integration of cosine 4t, we have 1 over 4 sine 4t. The next one is about 1 over 8 sine 8t. And we put the bounds from negative b over 2 to b over 2. So we put b over 2 going here. And this one. And this one. Negative b over 2 go in here. And here. And now we can get the final answer. So we put in the calculator in here. And we will have about 3b over 128. And this is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.